So we all know torrent. And the first question which comes into our mind is it illegal? Well, if not, then how does it work and why is it not illegal? In this video, I'm going to explain what is torrenting, how it works and whether it's illegal or not. So watch this video till the end. Hey guys, you're watching Tech Arena. I'm your host Arnav. Let's go. So before explaining you how torrenting works, let me explain how normal downloading works. Well, normal downloading works in a simple way. There will be a server in which the file will be stored and that server will be linked to a website. So when you go to a website and click on download, that file will be directly downloaded from the server to your PC. Now in this way, where there are a lot of people who are trying to download, then the file transfer speed will go down or the website might eventually crash. So this is the problem of normal downloading. But whereas if you use torrenting to share your file, then it is a completely different story. So how does torrent work? Let me clearly explain. So torrent works in P2P manner, which is peer-to-peer manner. And in this, there are two parties involved. One is seeders and one is leechers. Seeders are the people who are actively uploading while they download, and leechers are the people who are actively downloading. So basically, when a file is being downloaded, the same user will be uploading the file simultaneously, which results in sharing of the file to many other downloaders. This is called as P2P transmission. And when the count of active uploaders are higher than the active downloaders, then the file transmission speed will be very high. When you look out for a torrent file to download, you have to make sure that the active seeders are very high than the leechers. Only then you will have good download speeds. So explaining how torrenting works verbally might be difficult to understand for you guys. So if you don't understand anything, just play back the video and start watching from the first so that you will have a clear picture on how torrenting works. Let me answer the major question when it comes to torrenting. Is it illegal and is it safe? Well, to be honest, torrenting is not a piracy technology or a technology which promotes piracy. It's like how you own a car. You can misuse a car as well as use it for good things. So likewise, torrenting is a technology which you can use to increase the download speed. You can also use that same technology to do bad things like piracy. So when a copyrighted material or an infringed material is being shared through torrent, that is how piracy grows. And because of this, you can't shut down torrent networks because it's very difficult as many others use it for legal purposes. And the second thing, is it safe to use? Can you share viruses through torrent? Of course you can share. But the possibility of it is very low because in order to embed a malicious virus or spyware into it, you have to change the metadata of the torrent file, which will result in corruption of that file, which will again make the file of no use. So what you have to keep in mind is downloading through torrent is not illegal, but the usage of torrent to share illegal files is completely illegal. And the second thing, is it safe? Well, it is safe to most extent, but until and unless there's someone who's very brainy enough to embed a virus, you can't help it. So nothing is safe, nothing is legal. It's just that how you use it. So I guess you guys understood how torrenting works, whether it's illegal, whether it's safe or not. All these things explained in this video. So if you have any other queries, just comment down your opinion in the comment section below. And if you have any thoughts to add on to this video, also comment down your opinion in the comments below. And share this video with all of your friends. And if you end up liking this content, a like to this video would make a huge difference because it helps in the algorithm. And you know the drill, just press the red color subscribe button and also press the bell icon and click all so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off on the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and